Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got myself a gift and wait, let me just adjust my hair. Today I got myself a gift and that is this plant. And I'm gonna tell you a story about why I got myself this gift and what it represents to me and what I really want to share. So there's an ultimate message behind this video and I really don't want to make this video too big, but yeah, let me just tell you why I got myself this plant. And it's so pretty. It's just look at it, like green and it'll look really good because I get like good sunlight in my room, so it'll go very well in my room. But yeah, so the thing is why I got myself this plant was I mentioned it in one video that I was talking about my spirituality, and for me what spirituality, what God, what hope is nature. When I see some things like plant, when I see things that are like growing all around us, when I see a person doing a kind act, and I see someone being nice to someone, like that's what honestly spirituality is for me. That's what hope is for me. That's what growth is for me. That's what God is for me. Like witnessing all of these things. And for me, what I believe in is how I explain my spirituality, or how I explain my God to be, is how a teeny tiny seedling can convert into like a really huge big oak tree, and it can live on for years, and it can experience a lot of things, feel a lot of things, and it can talk to people. I mean, that is also possible if you know tree language. Then but yeah, like there is like something about it. When I see a plant, for me it represents growth. It represents that how something so tiny can convert into something so big, and that's the hope I believe in. And that's why I wanted to give myself this plant, because this plant to me denotes that hope. This plant to me denotes the kindness that exists, the growth, the resilience that exists all around us. And it's gonna be like a good journey with this plant. So I'm gonna have this plant for a few months now, for about 3 months, and obviously I'm gonna water it, and eventually I'll have to part my ways with this plant because I'll be leaving this city, and I will give this plant to someone. Yeah, it will also denote the fact that sometimes for other things to come into your life, for other things to happen to your life, and I'll be starting a new journey, going to a different city, when I'll be moving out of this place. For me, it'll denote a transition, and that's what life is, right? It's full of transitions. It's full of saying hi to people, and then it's full of saying goodbyes to people. Some goodbyes are not really kind, and some goodbyes are like really kind, and they're really amazing, and you hope the best for people. And that's what I've been thinking about lately. One thing that I really believe in from the bottom of my heart is that everything is just meant to happen the way it's supposed to happen. If there's something happening in your life that you don't like, believe me, you still have so much potential in you. You still have so much growth in you. You still have so many things to explore. You have so many doors that are gonna open up to you, doors that you haven't even knocked on. There are so many people who are gonna come into your life. There are so many things that you're gonna experience, and you can make the best out of the life that you have. And everything that is unfolding in your life right now, even if you like it or you don't like it, it's going to be for the best for you. I remember when I came to this place, so I'm doing my master's in clinical psychology right now, and I'm not in my dream college, okay? And I've always been this kind of person who was very academically inclined. So I thought I'd be in my dream college. I thought I'd be, doing my master's from there. So when I came here, I was a little late admission because I was still waiting for cutoffs to come. My friends had already joined college, and I finally joined this college, and I had a few friends from bachelors in this college already. And then after that, like, I used to think that, okay, things definitely did not happen the way I wanted it to happen. But is there anything I would want to change about it? No, because honestly, after I came to this college, I met the best set of friends. Like, not everyone is always kind to you, but there are always people who would be kind to you. There are always people who would be rooting for you, and you could be that person rooting for yourself, So it's also a reminder to gift yourself something. It doesn't have to be a plant, but definitely, like, give yourself something that reminds you of whatever growth is for you, whatever resilience is for you. Because I personally truly believe that if something is happening in your life, you can make the best out of it. This YouTube channel is not a huge channel, right? Like, there are not a lot of people watching it, there are not a lot of subscribers. So if you do end up watching this video, if you are listening to what I'm saying right now, then it's not just you're listening to this because it's part of trend and that's why you're supposed to listen. You're listening to this because this is a message that's just supposed to come to you today. That I really hope that everything happens in your life the way you want it to happen. But if it does not happen the way you want it to happen, believe that ultimately it's going to be happening in your life. Whatever is going to happen in your life, it's going to be amazing, and it's going to be something that you did not even imagine of, and experiences you would never want to exchange for anything else. So yeah, if someone asks you today that is there anything you'd want to change in your life, then you should proudly be able to say that, you know what, there's nothing I want to change in my life. That doesn't mean that I am a perfect person or I don't crib about a lot of things. We're all humans, okay? Like, yes, there are things that we wanted to achieve in our lives or we wanted to have in our lives and we couldn't have it. And we feel sad about it. And our emotions are valid. If they were not valid, negative emotions would have never existed. So this is something which is part of us, and we have all the right to feel the way we want to feel. We have all the right to digest the fact that something has happened that we did not want to happen. We have all the right to take our time with it. But it is really important to know that even in the midst of these negative emotions, even in the midst of haphazardness, at the end of the day, there is a plant. There is growth, there is resilience. You're still gonna grow into something, you're still becoming something, you're still experiencing things, and you're still an amazing human being who's going to achieve whatever they set their minds into. And it does not always have to be the exact way you want it to happen, but as long as you believe in yourself, honestly, that's the greatest reward you can get in your life. So get yourself a damn plant. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Get yourself that one thing that reminds you of growth, that reminds you of hope, and let it be there in your room. And look at that thing and feel that thing. And it's okay to feel bad, but you know what? I'm here with you, and everything is just meant to happen the way it's supposed to happen. So yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. See you in my next video.